Imagine using a printer as a monitor and having to wait for it to print out the frames.
This can't be for reals. It can't. Yo, I don't know if that's gonna work. It's like 0.0005 frames per second.
You send me crap.
That's pretty dumb.
Then I code it and hack it and program it.
Oh my goodness. Oh.
To turn it into a stupid setup.
You know, the older I get, the weirder SpongeBob becomes in my memories. So anyway, this PC is cooking gravy. This is our baseline setup. At the end, we're gonna drink the gravy that the PC is cooking. I put that in there earlier. It was looking fresh. This is all of the stuff that I was sent. It's a good idea, but I don't want any of y'all going and getting like a fat head. Whoa, bruh. Okay. Aliens. Oh my goodness. Who sent this? Who done it? Edward. Good job, Edward. Way to make the comment section really come to life here. Ah, it's got free paper. That's what I'm talking about, Edward. Printers are the worst thing that we have ever made as humans. This is gonna take quite a bit of coding. I'm just gonna go ahead and get started coding. All right, it looks like we also got a really nice heartfelt letter here. It says to Mr. Hummus. I don't actually know if it's a heartfelt letter. It better be a gift card for like $1,000 or else I'm ticked. What? No, this is a wedding invitation. I got invited to this dude's wedding? That's pretty funny. That's pretty funny, dude. Hey bro, I missed it. Cool, and we also got this. Looks like someone got that for $8. $8 a garage sale. The fan that you like program. Oh. Oh. Happy holidays. Yo. I don't think you can see it on the camera. Gravy cam. You can see it. Happy birthday. Gravy cam says happy birthday. Man, I hope that gravy cooks. You know what I mean? So we can program it to say whatever we want? Very nice. Ha ha. Ha. Beans, 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 beans. There's our setup now. That's way cooler. Someone got this from an estate sale. Got a nice TV. I don't know if that's gonna work. We're gonna plug this bad boy in. We'll use this as a second monitor. Ha! Well, if it works, I mean, I don't know. I guess that's part of the fun of it. So we'll put this right next to the beans. There we go. Look at that. Let's see if it starts to come on. Oh, it's making sound. Yo! It works! Oh my goodness, that's sick. I have some dongles that'll take care of this. Whoa, it's like humming. Oh wait, that's the fan. Our gravy's up to 86 degrees. All right, so we have to power our adaptation. Just yeet. Come on. Dude, it's working better than Oh, here it comes. Oh my goodness, dude. Look at it. Look at it. It's my second monitor. It's my Discord monitor. Look, that is the worst resolution I think I have ever seen. Thanks, Tyler. Get a snapshot of that, camera crew. Yeah, that's looking nice. It's printing. It's printing. We have test page print. It's just a test print. Wow, takes a very long time. So up next, let's go with this one. Projection mouse. Projection mouse. So what, it's like a little touchpad? We don't need this anymore. Plug that bad boy in. Our gravy is a little wobbly. It's all right, I got an extension. I got a little bit of everything around here. All right, so you just plug that in then, and one of these in. That's pretty dumb. That's pretty dumb. That works pretty dang good. I can just use this as a touchpad. That's pretty neat. I think this was a display unit at Office Depot. Edward, you stole this? All right, it's working, but it looks like this. Somebody mailed me something. I'm sure that it has like immense value. Got sent back, my bad. Didn't check it for too long. Nut snack. This is from Quiet Nerd. This guy's a YouTuber. Dude sent this forever ago. He's probably like, bro, that guy stole my stuff. Yo, good packaging. What are we looking at here? Yo. Good luck. Quiet. Boys, this is a plastic Sterlite container lid with light switches on it. No, this can't be for reals. Pretty sure that's how you subscribe to them or something. We just put that right in the center, like that. That's nice. Look at my setup, boys. NASA is envious right now. NASA's shaking in their boots right now. How are we gonna keep him off the moon? We literally have to start a new space task force to keep this guy from committing crimes on the moon. The fan is nice, man, I gotta say. Oh, and I forgot, I've got my nipple here too if I need it. So, oh my goodness.
It's so dumb and so nice.
Mouse up, mouse left. Oh my goodness. Subscribe to this guy.
That's insane.
Subscribe to him 1 billion times. Easy. There we go. Easy. I'm using light switches as a controller, dude. I got this guy who sent me, it's like a PS2 controller, but it's light switches instead of buttons.
Yeah.
I had a shot at that guy. Wow, that's crazy. That's straight crazy. That's what I'm talking about. We got one last thing to do. Let's see if the coder is done hacking my printer. We have to move this one entirely. Oh, the printer's coming on. No way. Oh my goodness. It's printing? If it prints out the back, then that would mean that this is my monitor. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
My program takes a screenshot every 0.5 seconds and automatically prints it.
This is the creation. It's gonna run one page every 0.5 seconds, basically print at max speed with paper as a monitor. Gravy camera up to 91 degrees on the gravy. I think we've done it, boys. I think you just gotta lean over like this. Tell me where I am. Oh, there. Guys, my monitor is a printer. It's gonna take me a sec, and I should be able to fall off. I fell off that ledge. There we go. That's where I was like 20 seconds ago. I can see myself off. Guys, where y'all at? I can hear the game, but it takes a long time for a frame to print. Sorry guys, my printer, I can't. My printer's not gonna do it. My apologies, Danny and Benjamin. I don't have the resolution for this. It's like 1 frame per second, but it's like 0.0005 frames per second. I guess technically you'd call it papers per second. So whenever I'm chilling at my setup, I just hang out like this. And so you kind of have to do a half push-up this whole time. It's nice because you don't really have to worry about getting copyright strikes. There we go. Yeah. See, this is like the type of video I like to watch. It looks like a good game to me. Sometimes I like to watch Pestily. He straight up jump out of a plane with a gaming chair. Check this out. Well, give it a sec. The audio's delayed. I think we might be out of paper. Frames, straight fire. Look at that. Jump out of a plane with a gaming chair. They're cracking straight into
I
it.
assume for the safety of others, I've been tasked with surveilling this one.
Email sometimes in my setup. You know what I'm saying? I'm just like chilling. I'm just like, balanced a little.
For some reason, every time someone subscribes, he drinks gravy.
What does it mean when it's not 144 hertz? It's more like 1 hertz. We're running at a hertz, and it hurts. Nice toasty warm gravy. That ain't half bad. Well, I gotta say, thank you guys for sending all this cool stuff. It's more like 6 setup. I got extra pixels. Thanks for that. You wanna send me something, send it to the P.O. Box. Probably gotta email me because half the time I don't check it. So go ahead. Say something in the comment section, man. Say something funny. Say something really weird. See if anyone sees it. Say something really strange. Pretending like no one's gonna notice it. And then no one will ever notice it. Promise, man. I enjoyed that. That was fun. I gotta clean up. That's bad. Whoa.